Hey everyone, this is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel Utilize Your Business. And in this video, I'm going to be helping out all the real estate agents who are looking to capture leads, people who are looking to sell their homes, people who are looking to buy their home. I'm going to actually give away a template using Clickfunnels. How easy that template is, where you can actually capture leads and actually know a little bit more about what your leads are looking for. So stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to tell you how to get this template. Let's go. Welcome back. So this is actually my back end of the ClickFunnels, and I'm going to show you exactly um, the funnel that I'll be giving away to you and how easy it is to use. Now this sales page, it is for anybody, any of you people who are looking to buy or sell. So let's preview it. Right? So you get a nice little template. You ask people the same question that when you pick it up, you ask if people are looking to buy or sell. So if they click on they want to buy it, and then they have a couple of survey that is useful for you when you get their info. You actually know they're looking to buy what, a single family, multi-family home or condominium. So let's put multi-family. Then they talked about which area they're looking for. Now all of this you can edit it and suit to what area you are, and I'm going to show you how easy to edit it in ClickFunnels. So let's click, and then they'll ask for 1 bedroom, 2, 3. So let's say for 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, let's say 200 square feet, built for 5 years, and suburban. And then they actually ask for people to input their information, so the name and email, where you're actually going to send out the list of homes there in the area, and phone number if they wanted it. So after that, once they do that, click, they submit it, and then they just look at it, look for an email guide where you actually have the home buyer's guide, which is your lead magnet, and also tells them a little bit more about house they're looking for, how much they are, and how much they will be. So this is for people who are actually looking to buy. Now let's talk about the people who are looking to sell. Again, let's preview it. Again, it just follows the same sequence. So if you're looking to sell, these are some of the questions you want to ask them. Same, you're looking for single, multifamily, whatever they're looking for. 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 1 bedroom. So let's say 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 200 square feet, and then it's same thing. So again, they ask you for their name and the email, so you actually have to capture the lead. And once you click on here, and actually tells them where to go, and it'll be in the email, so you actually have their leads, and then you can talk to them that, hey, you just fill in the survey, this and this, and go ahead and talk to those leads that you've captured it. Now how easy it is to edit it in the ClickFunnels. So I'm just going to show you one of the pages. I'm not going to show you all, but it's very easy. So all you have to do is just click on the edit. So I'm just waiting for it to load. Now what you can do is so easy, where you can just click on here and edit whatever you want, your Connecticut property. So instead of that Connecticut, it could be any state or wherever you're living for. So all you have to do is go that, and you can say you're New York, right? Pretty easy. And then you can just, the button, you can just change, even to change the background if you wanted it. You can put in the name of your company, your representative. So it's very easy to edit this. None of this coding that you need. You can also change this if you wanted it. And then here it is, where you can put it in your own picture. Talks a little bit about yourself. and some of the testimonial that you can get from your clients that you have served it. You can also put in your current listing. All of these are editable and it's easy to edit, so you don't have to. And this is just, you can have a link to your other social profile, and your info. All of these are editable and it's easy to edit, right? So you can just put James Smith, you can Joe, whatever, right? So it's easy. And after that, all you have to do is save, and it's saved. Now, most of the work is done for you guys, and with this template, all you gotta do is just type, edit the information to suit you, whatever you're at. So, and it's easy, and the best thing is all of this will be given to you. There's a template. There's a link below for the template. You can get this template going for you guys, and leads where it actually tells you what they're looking for. So easy for you to follow up and get those leads as your client. All right, guys, if you like this video and want to know more about my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, because every week we do come up with the new videos, and all of these videos are all the information given to you guys about what is on the online marketing, review, software, etc., etc. All right, guys, see you for the next video. Bye.